you know, people assume, oh, it must have really hurt y'all. You got to realize we expect it. You have to expect it when you're in Florida. We could get frost here for another 2 weeks. March 15th is our frost-free day. So we have a plan. What made this one particularly challenging wasn't the fact that it was cold. We knew what we were going to do. We knew what we had to do. But we were in the midst of installing the Flower and Garden Festival. As you might imagine, we're all pretty busy then. So it took some creative scheduling for us to be able to still keep installing the Flower and Garden Festival and find ways to protect the plants that need protecting. But as Carla was saying, many of the plants don't need protecting. You know, a lot of the bedding plants we use right now are cool season. Plus, it was right before we planted a whole lot of bedding plants. These weren't in the ground yesterday. So I walked this garden, there was no bedding plants in it. So, you know, it's not like everything was planted, which was nice. But it was a challenge, but again, it's something that we expect to happen every single year. Because I'd say every other year it happens.
Yeah, somewhere.
Some way,
time.
yeah.
There was a lot of frost cloth on the ground.
Yes, yes. And we cover all our topiaries with military surplus parachutes. We found that's the easiest thing we cover them up with. Okay.